My name is Graciela I graduated spring 25 at Sacramento City College. My parents understood that higher education was very important, but they did not know how to get me there. So I was always into school. I would always get the good grades. So I just knew that college had to be part of my story. I just didn't know how that looks like. I came back to school fall 2023. I had already been in the workforce for around 4 years, making a full-time salary as a restaurant manager, and I decided to take a leap of faith and come back to school and quit. And with the whole transition coming back to school and losing more than 50% of my income, my mother also had an accident that has not allowed her to go back to work. So I became the primary breadwinner for a family of three. And it was really hard on a part-time salary. There was a couple, like the SMUD bill that was past due. And we received the pay or your light will be turned off letter in the mail. So that's how I came across the emergency fund and decided that that's something that was gonna help me and my family financially for me to be in order to stay focused in school. With being able to get that check in that emergency fund, it helped me be able to pay that past due balance and a little extra, so I knew the following month it wasn't gonna be the same situation. That helped me not focus so much on the financial part of my life and actually concentrate in my classes and assignments.
There is no better time than right now to make your gift to the Student Emergency Fund. So I encourage you to go to the website for the Los Rios Colleges Foundation and make your gift today.